Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn Symphony number 9 theme by Ludwig van Beethoven, most known as Ode to Joy because it's a very happy song. And first of all we have to pick this note, which is a Mi, and the Mi is just on the right of these two black notes. And we can also find a Mi here, either here, but this song we are going to play it in the middle of the piano. And it goes like this: Mi, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do. As you see, we have two different endings for our phrase. The first one, it goes mi, re, and the second one, it goes re, do.